Hey, what's up besties? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me, and I was looking for, I have somehow managed to lose all of my personal bit stickers, and I saw them the other day and now I don't know where I put them, so I'm a little sad. So if my voice sounds a little bit different, that's why. So I wanted to show you guys a few things that are I have new releases that came to the shop, and I know my nails are probably gonna throw a lot of y'all off, but I'm trying something. I wanted to see how long I could wear these long nails, so anyways, and see how functional they would be. So yeah, don't come for me talking about it's claws, Italians, whatever y'all be saying in the comment section. Just whatever, just love on these nails, okay? Because they're cute, they're real cute. Alright, so I have mini kits that are available now in the shop. This is the Miami kit, and I thought I'd use this one this week because yeah, I just want to use this one this week, and then next week I'll use the back to school one, and I'm gonna keep trying to push out more kits as I can get them pushed out. I have fun kind of doing this, and I didn't realize it was gonna be this fun. But yeah, so there are kits now available in the shop. The price is gonna be going up to $10 because I do have a couple of things I'm gonna add to it. I think, did I say, what is it, 10 now? I don't know, the price is going up just a little bit, just because of the paper price went up just more than what I had expected. So anyways, these are the kits. This is what the full kit will look like, and when I say full kit, this is like a full kit of things that I feel like people could use, and then you can add in all those other things that people like the ombre boxes and the glitter headers and stuff like that. And then this is just a mini kit, which I felt like would be perfect for a planner such as the one we're gonna plan in today. And then with the big kits, the full kits, you do get the dolls that come with it, so you'll get a set of dolls like that to come with it. These are some of the new drops that I have. They're like little dewdrops. I think they're so cute. This is the summer theme. And then I have the social media stickers. I used to have these on my Etsy shop, but because of liabilities and legalities and all that stuff, I had to remove them, but I can put them back onto mine. So these are gonna be called the socials sheet, and I have like the Facebook, the Twitter, I have the Instagram, Snapchat, and then the YouTube there, so you guys can see that. They're just some really cute stickers, just to mark things, just icons and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested, these will be in the shop, and I will have them available. You can buy one sheet or you can buy 3 sheets. So I like to do bundles because I know I will run through stickers really quickly, and these are ones I would want to have on me all the time. So that's just a few of the ones that came out. Let me see, I think I have couple more I can show that are actually printed and ready to go. And this is the Lazy Day, just like a little deco kit. This is perfect for me, putting into this type of planner, or just using for deco if you just want to add just a little bit more. If you got the full kit from someone and you got extras left over, deco kits are good for that. And then this is the back to school. You see the hole? Look at that. All because you have the cut setting set on the wrong thing. That's what happened. So this is the back to school kit here and what it looks like. I'm saving this for next week because Bubba will be going back to school next week. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the oh wait, I said that. And then I have the new bits. This is the water tracker bit. I think this is so cute. Now let's go ahead and get into this super quick plan with me. I'm gonna try to plan within the next, I have something to do at 4 o'clock, so I'm about to give myself 10 minutes to plan in this planner. Let's see if we can get this thing done. Alright, so let's put the date things down. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I've been doing, going across, because I do like to see mine across. And I love that these date covers are on here, so I can just put those in there. Okay, and as you guys know, I just like to go from side to side. It just makes me feel better. I don't know why, it's a thing. And so I redo my dates, but you totally don't have to. These inserts are from Notique, and my planner is from Notique as well. You guys know I absolutely love the Notique planner. This is the Quilted Blush. I don't think I've moved out of this one since I've gotten it, and I probably need to quit being like that. I don't know, I'm such a, does that make me a hoarder or what? I just like to stay in my own thing like all the time. I'm about to go through and redo my inserts and stuff, like reset up my planner, but as of right now I'm super satisfied with how this looks. All right, so we have these little boxes here. So I would need to put this on a day, I think I'm gonna put this like on the weekend because that looks super cute. Oh no, I actually be like doing stuff on the weekend. So let's put this one over here. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put that one there, and then we got us a leaf. So we'll kind of stagger this one out. Wednesday's probably not gonna be that busy. Ooh, but I got the girl sticker too. She got to go somewhere because she cute. We'll put her on the weekend. Uh-oh. Come on. See here. Got to be more careful. Okay. Let's put her. Let's put her right there. That's cute. Okay, I'm loving it. All right, keep me posted on my time now. Okay. And then we have, this is like a desk box, so I can technically turn this over to the side. That's cute. And then we have one more full box left, and we'll stick her. I don't want to cover, I don't know if I feel okay about covering up like my top targets, but I also, yeah, we're gonna make this thing shake. Okay, so we have that over there. We've gotten all that down, and we need some date covers, so I'm gonna have to go into this kit. This is my kit anyway, so I really don't care about that. All right, we got 7 minutes. Where are my tweezers? I thought I just had some tweezers over here too. I felt like I did. Cause you can't raise a man. He's already grown. What you gonna do? You wonder why he act like a boy. My bad. Okay. So today is the 26th. That means tomorrow is the 27th. Alright, so we have those down there. We know. Let me get out of that over there because I'm all in that kit. I'm all in that kit stuff. Okay. So I'm going to add a tracker here because there's some things I need to track. Okay, I need to make sure that there, and then we have a bill due on this day. Alright, and the only thing that doesn't come over here is some payday stickers, but that's okay. We'll make it shake. So this is going to be prepping for back to school. I'm gonna leave that one like it is. And put this one here. Oh, there is a builder on this thing too. And this needs some washi, but I do not have any washi to get up and go grab. I know I got some peach washi over there. Ooh, I know what I'm finna use. Alright, how we looking? Alright, we got 3 minutes. I'm about to grab some washi real quick. Okay, I just thought this drip would be super cute. I think I have a smaller. Let me see if I can. This is supposed to be removable mat, so yeah, boy. There we go. Because I told her I was not going to hoard any more. Hoard no more. I ain't gonna hoard no stickers no more. Hoard no stickers no more. Okay, I'll fix that later. And then, come on, removable mat. Ooh, ooh. Don't pull too hard. Took me longer to put the doggone washi down than the stickers. Where is my washi card? Cause this thing is too thin. And I can't find my washi cutter. This is all bad, y'all. I just tore this all the way up. Y'all see that sticker right there? I just tore it up and I didn't want to tear it up. Okay, so make that stick back down. Shout out to removable mat, right? All right, we got our stickers down. This is what we're looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and put some plans in, and I think we will be good to go. So my pen of choice right now is the Sharpie S Gel pen. I really like this pen. I think it's super cute. Oh, I think I want to add some up there too. But for now, let me just do this. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote some things down on here that I had going on, some orders. Go back to Wednesday, the 29th. Podcast here, so this is edit podcast, and I think I have a coaching session on Thursday. Okay, and then I need to finish my updates on my website. Then I have an interview on this day, and so I put my bid stickers down here. So this is a pretty good plan with me, pretty simple. Now this one I'm going to put for YouTube because I need to post at least before Saturday. I need to post at least 5 videos to hit my goal for this month. So that's what I'm trying to do, is to make sure I do 5 videos. So I have upload. I need to make sure I do an upload. That's basically an upload every day. So I need to put that here. I need to do an upload. And I have the content to do so, so I'm not worried about that at all. It's just a matter of getting it done. So, and these will be, I'll go through and do a list of videos that I want to get done, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Like I said, I have my water trackers here, so that looks really good. I love it. Hopefully you guys can see, because I definitely have the table down. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I had the table down the whole time so you guys could see, but here we are. Here is what we're looking like for this week, and I'm really excited about mini kits again. I think they're so cute, and just a little jazz of color and add a little pop there. So this is what you guys saw, what it looks like before. So what it looks like before, and then this is afterwards. So this is just kind of like how I do my overall little spread, just to kind of get me something together for the week, give me an idea, and then I go in and I do a daily plan. I'll do a daily plan on here, or I actually have been daily planning inside of my iPad, so I'll have to show you guys that as well. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this plan with me. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to go hit up the shop and go shop and get some of these new goodies. If you guys like the sticker sheet set or whatever, let me know what you guys think down below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Mwah! KK, bye!